Surprise! These are L.O.L surprise dolls, and they are riding a massive wave of toys that come in blind packaging that you cannot see the toy that you're going to be getting from the outside of the package. And this toy has completely taken over your toy aisles. We've got everything from Barbie reveal toys to Pets Alive toys. Even larger toys like the Magic Mixies have a surprise element to them. And these toys in particular are prolific. There's massive amounts of these in all toy stores everywhere. One of the reasons that this toy has been so popular in the market is it's a very popular subject for unboxing videos, because the unboxing process on this toy has been stretched out. So if we look at this toy as like the first generation of this toy being the Kinder Surprise egg, let's say from the late 1970s to the early 80s, you had your chocolate egg, you have your foil out casing, and then inside you have your toy, which you would assemble and has little instructions, and usually playing with it as well. They were little wheels and things, and they were really fun toys to play with. This unboxing here will take you a lot longer. It says here that there's 12 different dolls to collect. And I believe on the outer box that I picked this up, it said there was up to 10 surprises. When you've unboxed your toy and you've put it together, it looks like this. That's what they look like. They have a little baby bottle, some sort of little accessory, sunglasses, and then a doll. And she doesn't do much except this one, you fill her face with water and then squirt it. And that's basically the play value there. It's very hard to get her to stand up on her own because she's top heavy from her big head. We see that these are in impulse packaging. So the impulse packaging is the highly reflective, very visually appealing packaging that has been honed in the market for many, many years by the confectionery industry. Now, for smaller children who are watching videos of these being opened, we're getting that dopamine hit from the complete task, but we're not actually completing the task ourselves. And at that age, what they should be playing with is shape sorters and getting up those fine motor skills. And it's $20, so it's not the cheapest. And most of these toys sit around that $20 mark, which is quite expensive, especially if you're doing the I want to collect all 12 of these. And there's not a lot of play value in them. Like, subscribe, and hit all notifications so you never miss the dolly drama from the toys and dolls that you love.